All right, everyone, Dr. Anthony Chafee here, just talking about the importance of working out to failure. Today, we're doing it with variable resistance. Today, I have my friend Rupert Degas again, is going to be assisting me with this. The good thing about variable resistance is that it matches your strength curve better. So let's say we're doing a shoulder press, military press, you're going up. You're weakest at the lowest point, but you're strongest at the highest point. But you have to pick a weight that you can get off of your chest and push up. So it's the right weight here, but it's too light all the rest of the way. So variable resistance gets harder as you go up. So it gives you a better workout, and you can actually train to failure very well with these. And we're gonna have Rupert demonstrate.
Overhead press, yeah?
That's it, military press.
Military press, okay.
And just, yeah, there you go. And we're just going slow and controlled, up and down, slow and controlled. And this is a lot safer for your joints. It's a lot easier on your joints. Obviously, it's lighter as it's closer to your body in the more vulnerable ranges for your joints. And as you go up and the resistance increases, your joint is stronger, your body's stronger, and you are less likely to hurt yourself. So this can really get a really deep burn on your muscles. Sometimes it's actually more challenging to do the variable resistance, things like the X3 bar that I use. It's actually pretty challenging because you're really fighting against this pressure and all the way through. So you want to stop, but you can't stop. You just have to keep going until actual failure. And then you're doing half reps and 3/4 reps, and you don't rest. You keep going. You always keep.
Is really working hard.
There you go.
Which is amazing.
And you keep tension on constantly. So you're constantly keeping tension.
Whoa,
there you
my
go.
left, right stronger
keep
than
going,
the left.
keep going, keep going. Yeah. And you're getting those half reps. You do as much as you can. You come down and you keep going. There you go. Keep going.
Yeah. Can't do full arm extension now.
Yeah.
It's really interesting.
Yeah. And there you go.
The quarter ones.
Yeah. And that's pretty good. Really try to rip one out. Just try to get all the way to the top. Go, 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 go.
Gee,
All right,
nah.
good job. So that's real failure. You actually went to that. It's not just you got stuck here and you couldn't do it. That matches your entire strength curve, and you just actually physically couldn't even go anymore. So that's a very good,
Yeah, man.
very good way to do that. Great job,
Excellent.
Rupert.
Thanks, Anthony.
Yeah,
Awesome.
you're welcome.